100 subscribers!
Hey everybody, CasinoJason here. As promised, we made it to 100 subscribers, and I have a lightning round scratch-off session. Here we go. We got 9 scratch-offs, $5 cash forevers, and 4 wild sides. Let's get started. We'll start with the wild sides. 3 minutes. Here we go. First ticket. No match. Second ticket. Again, the left side of this ticket, you get a match, you get a 1 times whatever value. The right side is 5 times the value if you get a match. We got a match there, number 38. Let me check the rest. 2, 7, 4, 13. No, let's check the right side. That would be 5 times the prize if we get a match. Nope. So we got a single winner. Free ticket. That's $5. Next. Another wild side. Nothing on the left. Nothing on the right. Last ticket for the wild side batch. Nope, disappointing. 3 losers and 1 ticket with $5 free ticket. Now on to the 5 cash forevers. That's a loser. Ticket 2. We got a winner, number 5. Check the rest of the numbers just to make sure. 29, 36. Okay, and the last row. Another number 5. So we got 2 number 5s. 2 matches. $5 and $5. It's a $10 winner. Ticket number 3. That's a loser. Ticket number 4. Oh, that's a winner. Right? Nope, that's number 11. Not a winner. Another loser. Final ticket. Again, thanks for subscribing. If you like my casino slots and scratch-off videos, share, subscribe, comment if you like. I always answer any questions or posts, and I will keep posting more content. I actually have some really great slot machine videos coming. I recently hit a major jackpot on a $2 bet. It's insane, and that'll be coming soon. Well, another loser. So we had 9 tickets, $45, and only $15 winner. See you next time.